Lecture 8: Cutting and Trimming Clips. So far, you have added clips to your timeline and explored some of the basic tools in Premiere Pro. What you have is a rough layout, a beginning, middle, and end, but not yet a polished video. That's where cutting and trimming come in. In this lecture, we will focus on how to fine-tune your edit. You will learn how to remove awkward pauses, shorten long clips, and tighten your timing just enough to keep your video smooth and engaging. These are simple skills, but they make all the difference in how professional your final product feels. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to use the razor tool to cut clips at specific points, trim clip edges to adjust timing without cutting, understand ripple editing and how to close gaps in the timeline. Apply these techniques to build cleaner, more efficient edits. Cutting clips with the razor tool. The razor tool lets you slice any clip in two. This is helpful when you want to cut out a mistake, split a long interview, or break a clip into smaller parts for better control. To use it, select the razor tool or press C on your keyboard. Move your playhead to where you want the cut to happen. In here you can see, just click on this clip. Now you have two separate clips you can move, delete or trim independently. Like this. Zoom in before cutting to be more accurate, especially when working with speech or precise action. Trimming with the selection tool. While the razor tool cuts, the selection tool trims. Hover over the left or right edges of a clip in the timeline. Your cursor will change to a red bracket with an arrow. Click and drag to shorten or extend the clip. Trimming is great for removing silent lead-ins, trimming dialogue or syncing clips more precisely to music or voiceovers. Ripple delete, closing the gap. After cutting or trimming, you might be left empty space on the timeline. To fix this, use ripple delete. Just go to the ripple edit tool, then drag the edges of the clip right or left. The gap fills automatically. In here you can see. This keeps your video continuous and avoids jarring black frames or blank space. When to cut versus when to trim. Understanding the difference is key. Cut. When you need to remove a section from the middle of a clip or want to split one long clip into multiple segments. Trim. When you are adjusting just the beginning or end to clean up timing. Good practice. Watch your timeline playback with fresh eyes. If something feels too long, slow or repetitive, chances are it needs a cut or trim. Using the ripple edit tool. Optional bonus. If you are comfortable, try the ripple edit tool. It works like trimming, but when you shorten a clip, it automatically shifts everything after it to close the gap. It's a smart tool that saves time but can also cause timeline changes if you are not careful.